Here we have the black Toyota Land Cruiser Prado, upgraded with the exclusive Modellista wide body kit. Masterpiece of design and engineering. This is not just any SUV. It's a vehicle that commands attention from every angle. The Modellista kit enhances the Prado's already impressive frame, adding bold, aggressive lines that give it a tougher, more rugged presence. The widened fenders add to its muscular look, making it stand out from the crowd with a posture that's hard to ignore. As you take in the full view, those 20-inch alloy rims catch your eye. Not only do they elevate the aesthetic, but they also offer improved performance and handling, making the ride as smooth as it is striking. These rims complement the wide body perfectly, giving the Prado a low, planted look while maintaining its off-road capabilities. Whether you're cruising through the city or tackling rugged terrain, the Prado looks ready for anything, dressed to impress no matter the setting. The Modellista touches throughout the body give this Prado a sophisticated, luxurious vibe, combining elegance with the raw power Toyota's SUVs are known for. Every detail, from the sculpted side skirts to the aerodynamic rear spoiler, has been designed for both form and function. The black paintwork adds a touch of mystery and refinement, blending seamlessly with the Modellista enhancements for an ultra-premium finish. Inside, you're treated to the Prado's renowned comfort and advanced features. This vehicle isn't just about good looks. It's about delivering a complete driving experience, style, performance, and luxury all in one. Whether you're navigating city streets or exploring off the beaten path, it's more than just a mode of transport, it's a statement of power, luxury, and performance.